You can turn automatic line item extraction on in Dext and have the total, tax and descriptions for each line on a receipt or invoice automatically extracted, saving you time and effort. You can turn this on for individual suppliers by navigating to Suppliers under Costs. From here, you'll need to find the supplier you'd like to turn this on for and toggle Extract Line Items to Yes. Once this has been switched on, any documents you upload for that supplier will automatically have the line items extracted, and you can view this on the Item Details page. Each Dext subscription will include a certain amount of credits for line item extraction. You can find out how many you have available or purchase further credits by navigating to Business Settings and then your subscription. You can find more information on line item extraction in our Help Centre, and you can reach it by clicking on the Resources button and then How To articles. Thanks for watching!